¡Tada! ¡Tada! ¡Tada!
So ladies and gentlemen, this is banana plantation. You will really not like to go inside, believe me, because there are a lot of spiders, muchas arañas dentro. You can see some exemplars, for example. Let me. Ahí, pero es todo pequeño. A veces son muy grandes. Sometimes you can see very big spiders. Ah, ahí, there. Very big spider. Es muy típico para plantaciones. It's very typical for banana plantations all around the world that there are spiders. But here you don't have to be worried because they are not dangerous. No peligrosas. For example, in Bolivia, in banana plantation, there are the most poisonous spiders and it's really dangerous to work there. But La Palma is a safe place. No poisonous spiders, no snakes at all. No hay serpientes en La Palma. And you know what is the biggest wild animal in La Palma? A bunny rabbit. Conejo. So, this is really a safe place. But enough about animals, we are here for bananas. Ahora, de bananas. So maybe you would say that this is a banana tree. I would also say que es árbol de bananas, pero no. But no, it's technically a herb, like a basil or oregano. It's a herb, not a tree. No es árbol, pero una hierba. And also interesting is that it's in one family with berries, like strawberries or raspberries. And when you look at it from distance, you can see that one branch looks like a giant green raspberry, don't you think? Or it's only me? Es una familia con fresas o otras frutas así. So, bananas are growing here all year around because the temperature is more or less stable. So they are able to grow 12 months a year. And interesting is that they are only female. And when one banana is 6 months old, it has a purple flower, this one. From the leaves, small bananas start to grow from between them. And then, when the banana is fully grown, it takes around 9 months, it has a daughter. Daughter starts from the roots and mother is giving daughter all the nutrition, vitamins, they are growing together. And when the daughter is fully grown, mother dies. And that's the cycle of life. Sometimes it can happen. The daughter has another daughter when the mother is still alive. So then we can see 3 bananas next to each other. 3 banana trees. I call it trees, really. How can you call it banana herbs? Banana trees. Next to each other, and then it's grandmother, mother, and daughter. Here is a normal example. Once here was a mother. It had a daughter. Then daughter was fully grown, mother died, and now daughter has another daughter. Very nice, no? Sometimes they cut a small daughter and they put it to new plantation. That's how they grow new banana herbs. They say that there are no more banana seeds in the world and this should be only way how to plant new banana herbs. This is only what I heard. This is not confirmed information, but I heard this, like gossip. Maybe you're asking why sometimes there is a white sheet on plantation and sometimes not. It depends on farmer. Because normally banana leaf looks like this. It's one piece, nice big leaf, but most of them look like this. It's because of the wind. So the white sheet is protection from the wind, and also it's warmer inside it, so they grow faster. Sometimes you also see blue plastic bag on one branch. It's protection from insects, because that's the biggest deal here, protect them from spiders and insects. That you will see also in the factory. Working here in plantation is not easy job, because there is no place for tractor. They are very close to each other. So they are working only manually. They take the heavy branches and carry them on bags. Each branch of bananas is 35 to 50 kilograms heavy. So you can imagine, it's really not easy. I have one more tricky question. Do you know what is the difference between bananas from South America and these Canarian bananas? These bananas are longer time growing on a tree. So they have more vitamins, more minerals, they are sweeter, they are just better. So if somebody asks you, this is the difference. So now we can continue to our next stop and I will tell you more. Yeah, it happens sometimes. So these bananas have some disadvantages for me. Oh, come on. Somebody wants to try this one? You can see that we stopped here because I wanted to show you our nice trees. The gardeners here in hotel are doing great job, and there is much to see. So, this right behind me is a flat palm. Sometimes people are asking, why is it flat? Why is this palm flat? Do they cut it like this? No, it just grows like this. It's kind of palm. Be careful, bus is coming. So this is just flat palm, no more confusion, they don't cut it like this. Now, this tree and a more beautiful exemplar is over there with a pointy fruit which looks like dragon fruit. It's not dragon fruit. It's from Malaysia and it's called Hala Akapuhala. I am sure you heard about it before. Yeah. Of course, eat it every day. Its fruit is very delicious. It tastes between mango and peach. Very good, very sweet. If you like tropical fruit, you need to wait for the right season and taste it. So come another time, it's not now, I don't know when it is. Then, you can also find some coconut trees in this hotel. Do you know where?
It's also at the pool, actually, it's a pool area.
Yes, at the pool area. One is, of course, or maybe two, next to Coco Loco Bar. Makes sense. One is for sure next to Mini Club. One is on the way to Gimnasio. So, if you go to exercise, or you have children, or you go to drink, you can see coconut trees. Very easy. And now, special question. Is here somebody who is staying in block 6? ¿Eh? ¿No? ¿Bloque 6? Sí. Muy bien. First I say it in Spanish because it's only for them. Pues, es una cosa muy interesante que árbol de mango es solo uno y es cerca del bloque 6. Pues ahora necesitan buscar. Vale. So I said that there is one mango tree at the hotel and it's next to block 6. So always The people in Banana Tour who are staying in block 6 have a special task until the end of their holiday to find this mango tree. So, suerte, good luck. Okay, now we can continue, and our next stop is right there. Be careful over the crossing the road because the traffic here is crazy. Autograph also. So we are in my favorite special place, which already a few months is not so special, because before, from this place is perfectly possible to see another Canarian island, El Hierro. It's over there, but now, I don't know why, believe me, it's there, but it's not possible to see it anymore, because there are clouds just over the ocean, so it's not possible. But there it is, El Hierro, the smallest and the least touristic island of all 7 of them. So from here it's possible to see one. From village, from Fuencaliente up there, you can see 3 Canarian islands, El Hierro, La Gomera, Tenerife. 3 from one place at the same time. That's amazing. Also then from other high places like Roque de los Muchachos or other mountains here in the island, you can see other islands, of course. But from here, only this one, and at the moment, no. I wanted to show you here also the watering pool. There are many of them like this inside Plantation. The farmers here are using unique system of getting water from national park. You can notice pipes somewhere on the hill that are bringing water here from national park, because bananas require a lot of water, so they help this way also. And this water contains fish. Fish big like this. They are there for cleaning and oxygenizing the water. That's what they told me. But this water is very dirty, so I don't know what kind of job are they doing. There you go.
They're sleeping on the dock.
And this water can be clean or with some chemicals. Not the pesticides. When I was asking what kind of chemicals do you use, they told me some mix of chemicals. Okay, thank you, but not pesticides. So there are 3 types of bananas here. Organic, when they are treated only with clean water, of course. Then middle type, when there is a little bit of chemistry in this water. And the normal type. It's normal type, the cheapest, when they treat them with water which contains chemicals, and also they put some chemicals straight on bananas. You will see the difference also in the factory, because there are 3 lines for processing these bananas, and each of them is treated a little differently. But the question is, how many of them will be on today? Because this is a low season. It's still summer, and summer is a low season for bananas because it's a little bit too hot for them. They prefer the winter season here. It means 2022, right? So then is a top season. Now they don't have so much fruit. So maybe only 1 line will be open, maybe 2, but I will explain you everything. Now we will go together to factory. You can take all the time pictures there or videos. In some parts, I will take you by groups to come closer and explain you, because it's not possible to everybody at the same time because it's noise there and there is also no place. Hey! I don't know. Sorry. It's just a reflex. So during this time when you will be waiting, you can look around and go wherever you want. You can chat with the workers. They are very nice. Of course they speak only Spanish, but they are nice. And I think they are always very happy when we come there with banana tour, because it's like a highlight of their week. So from here, they take the bananas there, washing area, where we will look right now. Please follow. Banana branches. But for me, about meat factory with pigs. Look at it.